you're making an airdrop or you just want to know who's holding your token, in this video, I'm going to show you the best method and the fastest way to actually get the list of holders of any token or NFT within BNB Chain. Let's go directly to the process. To get the list of holders, we will use this tool you're seeing here, BNB Chain Snapshot tool, which is basically for tokens or for NFTs, whatever you want. And it's really simple. It's a tool where you can put a token address or an NFT address, or select any of the ones they have here in case you want to just airdrop to any popular community, and it will give you the whole list of holders. So for using it, we will just come here to tools.smithii.io. You will have the link in the description. We connect to wallet. We need the funds to make it, which is 0.1 BNB. Okay. We switch to BNB Chain, and then we select which token we want to make a snapshot to, and basically from which token we want to get the list of holders. So in this case, I'm going to select this one, for example. It's GPS. It has 1,938 holders, and we click on take a snapshot. It will start. We will see the transaction on our wallet. Here we confirm it, and it's scanning the holders and fetching all the addresses so it can give it to you. Okay, it takes up to seconds. Here we can see it's loading. It has more than 1,000 now. They're arriving to the almost 2,000 holders that this token has. You can put any token address, okay? If you don't know how to find it, you just open your wallet, click on any token, click on open it in the Explorer, and you will have it here, okay? Here we have the 1,922 wallets. We can download it in CSV format, TXT format. We can just copy them to use it anywhere, or we can download it on CSV or TXT. And the best thing is that we can copy these wallets, come to BNB Chain Token Multisender, paste it here, and we have the whole amount of wallets here to make directly an airdrop, which is really, really cool. Even if you just want to do directly the airdrop, you can come here, select the token, and you will be able to do directly the airdrop to them. It's really, really simple. The process for NFTs is quite the same. You come here, you select the NFTs, you click on take a snapshot, you confirm the transaction, and you get the whole list of holders. So this is how easily you can actually get the list of holders of any token or NFT in BNB Chain. Then you can make an airdrop, create a claim site, do whatever you want, but that's the whole process. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.